Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I wanted to show you my pressure washer that I've had for 15 years, and it's been a great machine. It's made by Generac and it has a Honda motor on it, and it's a 3500 PSI, 4 gallons per minute. And what amazes me about it is it always cranks up on the first pull. For 15 years it hasn't changed. Cranks right up on the first pull and just function properly like it's supposed to all the time. It's the strangest thing I've ever seen. I've never had a motor that good, but it's the only time I've ever had a Honda before. So let me go ahead and show you. You got to turn the on-off switch on, which is, it's easy to forget that. So the on/off switch, and this is the fuel. It's all the way on. This is the choke, and the throttle. To crank it up, it needs to be on the low throttle. So let me turn the water on and we'll crank it up. Now, before you crank up a pressure washer, you always want to make sure that you do have water all the way through the engine and through the pump. And I keep the trigger depressed when I crank it up. So the on/off switch is on, choke is on, gas is on, and throttle is in the low throttle position. Blew off most of the surface debris. Let's go ahead and start back here in this corner. Well, I was editing the video and I realized that I accidentally deleted the shot of the finished slab. So it's 2 hours later and it's mostly dry, but let me just show you this. And then I'll go back and add this in. Huge difference. It'd been 2 years since I'd done it. Looking a lot better. In fact, I have two of these hoses. And this is the one that I haven't used in I don't know how many years. But sure enough, a mud dauber had gotten in there. So I'm going to start keeping these taped off too.